What up, everyone? It's gonna be my $750 PC build, and here we go. First thing, tower. And before I start, it's gonna run any game 1080p, 720p, maybe 1200p, not maybe pushing it, but 1440p if you overclock. Anyway, at stable 30-40 FPS at least at 1080p, maybe 60. Okay, first thing is the Corsair Carbonate CC 300R Window Compact PC gaming case. It's ATX mid tower, blah blah blah. It's fit most seat sinks, so it's windowed so you can show off that prettiness in there. And yeah, lots of airflow, support for water cooling, enough dry base, support graphics card up to 450 millimeters long, and support for ATX and micro ATX. And that's really it. It's a really good case, trust me. Okay. Also, yeah. Okay, next thing, power supply. It's the Ultra LSB Series V2 650 watt power supply. I like this power supply. I trust Ultra and all their products, basically. It's cheap, it's enough for a graphics card, and it's good. That's all I can say, really. And it has all the bells and whistles, I guess. And yeah. So, next thing. Next thing's going to be our CPU. It's going to be the FX6300. It's going to be the FX6320. I mean, 6300. It's fast. You could overclock it to 4.2 gigahertz on stock cooler, or 4.3 gigahertz if you're lucky on the stock cooler. But it's really good, Play next generation games. Few games actually utilize all the cores now, but in the future, when games actually utilize all of them, it'll be more of a. It'll actually show its true potential. But right now, only a few games use 6 cores, and almost none use 8. The only ones that use 6 right now are like Battlefield 4 and all those good games that you youngins play. Anyway, on to the next thing. Also has a good turbo boost of 4.0 gigahertz. On to the next thing. Anyway, our motherboard's going to be the Asus M5A97 AIM3 Plus motherboard ATX, socket AIM3 Plus, and blah blah blah. Supports up to DDR3. 2133 megahertz of DDR3. Supports Crossfire. No SLI, just Crossfire, but we don't need SLI. Our RAM's going to be the ADATA XPG V2 series, 8 gigabytes of DDR3, 16,000 megahertz. 1,600 megahertz, and it looks metallic. For $80, it's a great price point. It's cheap. You overclock it to 1,866 megahertz, which is the best speed for RAM if you want to get the best amount of FPS in the game. Then comes the graphics card, which is a very powerful graphics card for this point. It's the R9 280X. 280, not 280X. 3 gigabytes of GDR5. It's not 512 bits. It's actually like 312, something like that. Let me look. Yeah, it's 384 bits. It's 384 bits. It can run 4K, but it won't be like the fastest, but it can support it, so that's good. And now if you do Crossfire, now that'll be a good thing for. It'll run 4K pretty fast actually, so that's good. Then comes case fans. So it's gonna be the Glowmaster case fan, the 120mm fan, blue LED fan. There we go. It's $9. It compete with some of the $15 fans for this low price, and it looks nice. I got 3 of these, 2 for the top and 1 for the side of the case. And yeah, also I got this is gonna be my final thing. It's gonna be the WD Blue 1TB desktop hard drive. It's great, 77,200 RPM, 64 megabytes of cache, and all that good stuff. 2-year warranty for all low price of $60. And that's really it for $750 PC build. You get something with $30 more expensive. I don't know anything I can really improve on. Actually, here, I'm gonna get one more thing for you guys. Just one more thing. Just stick with me. Almost there. It's gonna actually be a heatsink. So you can overclock this. You could probably do like 4 gigahertz with stock cooler, but since I added all the fans in case, you probably do 4.2, maybe maybe 4.3. But with the one I'm getting, you'll probably hit 4.5 gigahertz, at least. I'm just kidding. It's gonna be around that if you do this build. Here, I'll come back to you when I'm done. Bye. Okay, I just added to my car and I did nothing else, I swear. $781, but wait. Rebates 10, 20. Wait. Okay, well, where is it? 40. So 40 minus 81 is $740. So yeah, $740 with $10 for shipping extra, or $9 actually. That should be enough. This is gonna be overclocking that thing to 4.5 gigahertz. Luckily, hopefully, with the Cooler Master TX3 CPU cooler 92 millimeters. In the future, you can replace the fans that come with on the stock thing. With the stock fan, you can replace that. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be one of the best value crap you can do with $750. Most people cheap out on the motherboard and get like a $50 or $60 or $70 motherboard. If you want a good overclocker, you have to get at least an A97 or A99X if you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, just ignore me. Because they have better cooling solutions on them. But that's really it, so I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my other episodes. The next build's going to be $858, hopefully. So, see you guys when I'm done. See you guys in the next episode.